Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. This is my today's subject. I shot it a long time ago. I do commercial photography, and this is a portrait shot. I have lots of jewelry shots a long time ago, and this is one of my portfolio work. And I like this shot color-wise and composition-wise. Well, this time I tried to make this one some kind of image from drawing to painting, then turn into photograph type. Use a watercolor, gradually becoming a photograph. That's what I want to try. And I have this main subject, and also I made the line image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter code, find edges as always, but I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Well, drawing turn into painting, watercolor, then turn into a photograph. So I may use this pencil drawing type image. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna move this painting layer in between these two, and I'm gonna turn on this pencil drawing type image, and I'm gonna change the blend mode normal to darken. Then I'm going to turn this main image down to about 40%. Okay, now start from here. Well, this is the main part of the pearl necklace, and I'm going to gradually turn into drawing to painting and painting to photograph. So first of all, I'm gonna paint watercolor on this layer. Let's see. So I'm gonna turn this one down more, about 20% for photograph based image. Then I'm going to choose watercolor brush. First, go for watercolor, wash flat, and pick some color, which is orange. Base image has orange, right? So I'm going to try this water about 60%. Very see the color, I think. Then choose this brush, max, water, same time, max. Okay, now I'm going to paint it on this layer. Let's see. Just big dry. That's gonna mix main image, I think. Well, change the brush to watercolor wash soft. Well, let's turn this one off. Maybe much easier to see the watercolor texture. And I'm going to tone down this pencil drawing type to about 50%. Now paint again. Oops, I'm going to make it bigger. Lots of water. Imagination is, I think turning to orange color. It comes from yellow first, yellow and red on this side. From this side, yellow comes, then red comes from here. And mix up and getting orange That's I imagine. Yellow, little small, but that's a lot, big, large, lots of water. Then back to orange. I want to see more texture on this, so change back to, well, around detail. Let's see. Enlarge size, lots of water, make some oozing image maybe. It's gotta be dark area around here, just gradually down to the upside. I don't know what overall image is, just like, well, change the brush to wash soft to make some texture. Change back to round detail. I want to get some water oozing texture, maybe not much water. You see this oozing type? See if I get some this. Well, change the brush again. Do I have oozing? Not much. Well, how about around here? Or maybe change the brush to wash flat, and then lots of water. Let me add some red, if I can see the oozing. Well, okay, go to next step. Create empty mask, invert mask. Now reveal, red, basic, soft round opacity. Reveal this mask about 50% first. I want to make some gradation image. Much more smoother. Well, change. I'm gonna move this layer in between these two. This gradation needs to be much soft. Gradually turning to drawing and painting, but this is a real photograph. I think this watercolor layer is kind of too busy, so I'm going to turn this one off. Then I'm going to add a layer. Then again, I'm going to put the watercolor on this. Watercolor paint, okay. Let's do it again with orange first, with the wash flat first. Choose, select the biggest, largest one. Lots of water again. Now change the brush, wash soft. Let me turn this one down and paint it on this. opacity up. Let's see, reveal again, touch. Let's do the hide. Not hiding. I want it so smooth. Now, review again. Well, I'm going to add some watercolor texture more around here. Well, this is pencil drawing type image, just opacity about 50%, and I'm gonna create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide these black lines. Should not have, because the necklace is much lighter image, so go back to 50, that's fine. Then I'm gonna just hide on this here. Oh, I'm doing hiding. Hide. Okay. Let me compare. Yeah, this is too much. Like this. Then show this. Now I want to try another one. I'm going to take this one off. Let's see. The watercolor on this. Same largest size. Same orange. Let's see, change that to wash flat. They much settle from yellow. Then red. Well, 1, 2, 3. This is not good, so I'm going to delete this. But this one, or this. I guess this is more soft. Yeah, I guess I go with this, but I want to finish it up with some kind of pencil drawing type. This square, not on this, it doesn't have much, so this is just leave it 50%. That's okay, and I'm gonna add another layer for this, then pick that sketching to pencil or pen. This darkest, I think, then gray, then well, let's make it pencil so we have some texture. Yeah, freehand. That makes more nice. Okay, I'm gonna take this one hide later. So I'm gonna draw on this with a pencil. Yeah, then I'm gonna just hide the base, these lines. We only see pencil drawing that I draw on here, right? This, yeah, I guess that's it. That's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie's gonna give you some kind of idea of your creative work. Well, I really appreciate for support and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.